Welcome to the Green Stock News Brief for Wednesday, March 19th. Here are today's top headlines. General Motors and NVIDIA are expanding their partnership to develop AI-driven vehicles, factories, and robots using NVIDIA's accelerated computing platforms. GM will leverage these tools to create digital twins of assembly lines, optimize factory operations with robotics, and enhance in-vehicle safety and driver assistance systems. Spire Global has launched 2 advanced AI weather models, built on NVIDIA's Omniverse Blueprint for Earth 2, and powered by Spire's proprietary satellite data to provide medium-range and sub-seasonal forecasts. These models deliver enhanced forecasting for industries such as energy and commodities by offering a range of potential weather outcomes to better assess risks and extreme weather events. Wallbox has announced that its Supernova DC fast charger has received California Type Evaluation Program certification, meeting strict standards for measurement accuracy and billing transparency. This certification enables Wallbox to expand in California's EV market by ensuring its chargers can legally and clearly bill for electricity usage. Being Global and Zero Motorcycles will showcase their sustainable charging infrastructure and high-performance electric motorcycles through live demonstrations for military, law enforcement, first responders, and enthusiasts. Events include MotoGP in Austin in March and TevCon in San Diego in April, where attendees can ride Zero motorcycles powered by Beam's off-grid solar charging systems.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.